let's do a mean value theorem example problem. So, first off, anytime we do a mean value theorem, the first thing we need to do is look at our conditions. So remember, it needs to be continuous on the closed interval and differentiable on the open interval. That's what we need to know. So first off, is this equation continuous from 3 to 6? Yes, there's only one place where this is not continuous, and that's going to be at x equals 0, because we're going to have an asymptote right there. But 0 is not in our interval. If our interval was from -1 to +3, mean value theorem is not going to work because it's not continuous on that interval. But from 3 to 6, yes, it is continuous from closed 3 to closed 6. Next, is it differentiable from 3 to 6, open interval? So this one we're looking for any sharp turns. This is a rational, which means it is not going to have any sharp turns. We just need to worry about asymptotes, which we've already talked about. So yes, this is differentiable on the open interval from 3 to 6. So now that the conditions are met, I can apply my mean value theorem, which is this. So let's start to plug in what we know. First off, f prime. So f prime, the 3 is going to be a 0. And let's rewrite this. F of x. 3 minus 6x to the -1. Now it's a little easier to take the derivative. So f prime is going to be 0. That -1 comes in front, makes it a +6, and then -1. And we're actually going to change that x to a c, because that's what we're plugging in. Equals f of 6 minus f of 3 all over 6 minus 3. So let's rewrite this. 6 over c squared equals f of 6 is 3 minus 6 over 6. So 3 minus 1 is 2 minus f of 3. 3 minus 6 over 3. 6 over 3 is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1 all over 6 minus 3, which is 3. So I've got 6 over c squared equals 1/3. Now I can start to solve this. So let's times both of these by c squared. So I've got 6 equals 1/3 c squared. And then times this one by 3 over 1. So they cancel. Those cancel like that. So then I've got, let's keep going up here, c squared equals 6 times 3, which is 18. Take the square root, so I get c equals the plus or minus square root of 18. But remember, I'm on a specific interval. So let's see. Square root of 18 is plus or minus 4.242. So the -1 does not fit in my interval 3, 6. So I just want that one. And that's my answer. That's it. So hopefully with all of that, you can now get started on your notes or on your assignment for 4.3.